up in northwestern Montana at Tetra Lake, I believe it's called. The locals call it something else. Bluegill, sunfish, and crappie. Now we have a smallmouth bass going into the fry bucket. That's what it's all about right there, baby. We're catching fish. I think we've caught 5 or 6 so far.
That's what I'm talking about.
We have a double. 1 and 2.
Got me a little keeper. Got me a total.
Back at the cabin, let's figure out how we're gonna fry this fish up on the Blackstone Griddle. I have the Blackstone Adventure Ready griddle heated up, and we have a big old large cast iron skillet on there filled with vegetable oil. We're shooting to get this up around 350 degrees, so we're pretty close. Tiny panfish, bluegill, and sunfish. I managed to get some fillets off. Notice I didn't show the filleting on camera because I am not good at filleting fish. Pat these dry, and these are nice little morsels of our tiny Montana panfish and 1 smallmouth bass as well. We're making a homemade batter on the fly here, so wheat Montana all-purpose flour, eggs and flour, some Dano's low sodium original seasoning. This was his fishing move today, so I'm out with Levi and with Jesse. And Jesse was a little sick, so he quit fishing after he caught quite a few. And then Levi had some crazy techniques he kept showing me. Even caught a turtle. Veggie oil just went over 350, so we're good. I like it 350 to 375 degrees. I'm gonna grab my little panfish fillets. We're gonna put them in my batter into the hot oil. So far, so good. I'm gonna use my slotted spoon, and we're gonna start giving them a flip after 2 minutes or so. Looking good. You can see that golden brown color starting to come out. It's been a couple of minutes. Everything is looking really good. Let's pull them, and we'll let the grease drain on a paper towel. Let's pick it up and put it on my platter. We have Montana fish, Montana wheat in the batter, and a Montana platter. And I'll give them a little sprinkle of that Redmond's real salt. I picked up some Beaver brand tartar sauce, also from the Pacific Northwest. Sadie's also joining us tonight. Are you excited, Sadie? Let's give it a try. That is so good. Nothing like being on vacation. Northwestern Montana. My wife and I went on our honeymoon here 17 years ago. We've been blessed to come up here every other year for the last 17 years. We love it. My wife's dad, my father-in-law, grew up just down the road here. So Northwestern Montana, special place in our hearts. We'd probably move here if we could. It's a beautiful place. We saved a little bit for everybody else in the house. This is gonna be our appetizer tonight. So we sure do appreciate you watching, everybody. Coming along on our little fishing adventure and deep frying this in a cast iron skillet on top of the Blackstone Griddle. So until next time, everybody, Todd, Sadie, and Levi, my wife Kim behind the camera, praise the Lord and pass the deep fried fish.